Hey, it's James Hayden coming to you from Camas, Washington. Beautiful place. I have to tell you, I've never seen things in my career that are happening like are happening today. It is absolutely incredible. Look at this. Look at these trees. Isn't it fabulous? Anyway, I just went through a process of evaluating AI for a global cybersecurity company for their sales organization. What really started me down this path was I read something Gartner said some time ago that AI will not replace salespeople. Good sales teams won't replace people in sales. They will replace unprepared people that are not empowered by AI. Get that? I mean, this is really big. This is changing faster than anybody realizes. There are organizations I'm working with and some of the sales leaders. I've verified a bunch of data. That'll come in my next video. But get on this train on AI for your sales organization. There's so many things you can do. The time a salesperson spends in administrative tasks is about more than 12 hours a week, about 20 hours a week. It's reducing that by over half. So it increases the sales time. You're getting to people who are in market 92% faster than people who don't have AI. A lot of information, like reducing sales cycle times by over 50%. Next video, I'm gonna hit some hardcore data, but get off your asses and get on AI if you're in sales. You're gonna get left behind otherwise. There's so many amazing things happen. I haven't been that involved in it for the last 6 months. Things are changing almost daily. If you don't have AI in your sales organization, and you don't have to love technology, but let me give you an idea of some of the companies that didn't utilize AI and technology. Companies like Sears, Blockbuster, and there's a few more. Don't end up in the graveyard of obsolete companies.